Our Chief Traingineer, Roger Farkash, is making the river flow. Doing a little touch up here in the canyon area. What is this area called specifically?
Well, this is the Medicine River.
Medicine River?
In Glacier Park.
Ah, in Glacier Parks, that's right. And we're doing some touch up, getting ready to load the BNSF Layout on a 53-footer, and it'll be headed out to Omaha, Nebraska next week. And this is what Roger's working on right now. And you see the Traingineers over there touching it up. Check it out. This is really incredible. It comes in 8 sections. They're all castered. And it goes on a 53-foot truck. It'll get there Thursday. We'll unload it, set it up in Omaha, Nebraska, and have nothing but fun, fun, fun with the trains running. Let's go on the other side. Zoom, zoom, zoom. You can see the different sections. Let's go take a little close-up look. Got a baseball game going on. And Roger designed this to include all of Berkshire Hathaway shareholders' businesses. And they're represented by different models on the layout. This was a custom station made specifically for BNSF Berkeyville station. It's based on our Chicago Union Station. But we get to see all these fine companies and all their people here next week. And TrainDame gets to go along too. It's one of my favorite events.